Frankie and Johnny were sweethearts. Oh, what a couple in love, oh love. As the story goes, true to each other, just as true as the stars above. He was a man, but he done wrong. Johnny stepped out on his Frankie, though he had sworn they'd be wed. A Rooty Toot Toot, and Johnny wound up dead. Oh, he was her man, but he done wrong.
The People versus Frankie.
Frankie came down to the courtroom. She faced every rap in the book. Her lawyer was Jonathan the Bailey, known as Honest John the Crook. He was the man who was gonna prove that people were wrong.
Your Honor, we've had enough histrionics. It's an open and shut kind of case. We call to the stand the bartender of the joint where the crime took place.
Frankie and Johnny were sweethearts, and all over town it was known. And then one day he came in without Frankie, but he still ain't quite alone. Now Frankie comes looking for Johnny. Well, I couldn't tell her no lie, so I quietly slipped her the info. He's out back with Nellie Bly.
Nellie Bly?
Rooty Toot Toot.
Rooty Toot Toot?
Right in the snoot.
Your witness. No questions. Next witness.
I'm Nellie Bly. I'm a singer of sweet melody.
That's a lie, that's a lie. She's no singer.
Please.
As I started to say I'm a singer, at least in my time I've heard worse. I was in the back room there with John Boy, but only to rehearse. Now Johnny seemed just a little bit nervous. He had seen Frankie's temper before. Toot-a-toot-toot went Frankie's gun right through that hardwood door. She shot her man. But we would do no.
She shot her man, there's no dispute. She shot her man with a Rooty Toot Toot. Your witness.
No question.
The state rests.
Facto factorum.
Picture, if you will, the true events. Frankie in her garden, in her innocence, up to her lovely neck in flocks, and flocks, and flocks of hollyhocks. For she is pure, pure and demure, pure, demure. You have asked for the truth without compunction. I have performed that function. Could she pull this trigger? Bah. Take a life? Bah. Were she free, I'd take this maiden for my wife.
Not guilty!
Not guilty!
Not guilty!
Ipso facto, status quo. I rest my case.
Roll out your rubber-tied hearses. Roll out your rubber-tied hack. 'Cause Frankie's going to the jailhouse, and she ain't a-coming back. 'Cause it's wrong to shoot with a Rooty Toot Toot. She shot her man 'cause he done her wrong.